Welcome back, folks. Check it out. This is a 2013 Lexus RX 450 hybrid. It's the creme de la creme of the hybrid world, folks. It's an SUV. It's all-wheel drive. It gets mucho MPGs. It's one owner with every documented service on the Carfax. It does have the trailer tow package, navigation, backup cam, has the premium sound, sunroof, heated and cooled front seats, loaded up, wood grain wheel. This car is in exceptional condition. It's never been smoked in. The mechanics are perfect. We did do a full service and safety inspection, and we're gonna back this one with a 3-month, 4,000-mile contract over the driveline. Compliments at DasCleveland.com. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Lexus RX 450 hybrid that just hit 100,000 miles on it. Not being a third of its life as it's been used. And it is a lady, folks. Check it out. Owner drove it home the other day, says it's perfect. Needs nothing but a good home. Dialed in and ready to go, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect. Starting down payment on this Lexus, $1,595 starting down payment. 5-passenger, power, absolute everything. Loaded up, got the big 19-inch wheels on it. She's a lady, folks, and she's ready to go. DasCleveland.com. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour your time. This is the prize. DasCleveland.com.